An anti-icing technique that has proven effective is the spreading of brine on the roadway before or at the very beginning of a storm. By applying brine prior to a precipitation event, it adheres to the surface of the roadway and is ready to go to work when the rain or snow begins to fall. This speeds up the entire melting process and also makes roadways easier to plow. Even if the forecast precipitation does not fall, most of the salt will remain on the roadway, ready to go to work when the next precipitation event occurs. Brine application rates can range from 25 to 60 gallons per lane mile, depending on conditions. Your supervisor will tell you what rate should be applied. When applying brine, always be on the alert for rapidly declining pavement temperatures and rising winds. Be especially cautious when it looks like pavement temperatures will fall below 20 degrees and winds exceed 15 miles per hour. 6 o'clock in the morning. The pavement temperature is 15 degrees and the forecast calls for snow to begin falling soon and pavement temperatures to reach 25 degrees by mid-morning. You are probably pretty safe in applying a brine solution. However, if it is 6 o'clock in the morning, the pavement temperature is 15 degrees and the forecast calls for snow to begin falling soon and pavement temperatures to remain stable or drop, you should reconsider applying a brine solution. One very important word of caution. Do not apply brine to packed snow or ice unless sufficient chemical is applied to achieve a wet pavement condition. Another caution when applying brine, especially calcium chloride brine. A dry residue can remain on the highway long after application. Under special conditions, especially if there is a great deal of moisture in the air, the calcium chloride remaining on the roadway will draw moisture to the road. And if the temperature drops, icy slick conditions can be created. The keys to applying brine as an anti-icer are accurate weather forecasts, knowing the pavement temperatures, and understanding the de-icing chemicals you are using. Carried out successfully, anti-icing procedures can provide a higher level of service to the traveling public and reduce total chemical use. Anti-icing techniques are also being used to treat frost. When frost is predicted, brine applied in the afternoon is effective to prevent frost if there is no intervening precipitation. However, there are few storms when any single strategy is adequate.